Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about alphabet. Oh no, where gone all my letters and number? Can you help me guys to find them? So let's start to find letters and number. I think letters are hide among these star block. Here we got letter P. P is for pig. Let's put it letter P right here. I think more letter is hide here. Let's see. Yes, we got it purple color letter R. R is for rabbit. Let's put it right here. I see one more letter is here. What's that? It's a orange color letter D. D is for dog. Let's put it D right here. Letters are hide this blue color kinetic sand. What's that? It's a letter K. K is for kite. Let's put it letter K right here. Let's find more letter. Yes, we got it. It's a letter A. A is for apple. Let's put it at the first place of this puzzle board. What letter is hide among these white balls? Here we got letter B. B is for ball. Let's put it letter B after A right here. Let's find another one. Now we get letter C. C is for cat. Where we should put A, B, C, G. Now we need letter E. A JCB machine is coming with next letter. Let's see which letter is bringing us. It's a letter E. E is for elephant. Let's put letter E after D right here. Our next letter is hide among these vegetables. We got here letter V. V is for vegetable. Let's put it V right here. Let's find another one. We got it. It's a letter G. G is for zebra. Let's put it G here. Let's open this surprising egg and see which letter is inside. We got it letter T. T is for tiger. Let's put it T right here. Let's see what is inside this orange egg. Here we got letter M. M is for monkey. Let's put it M right here. What comes between K and M? Letter L. Let's find. Oh wow, it's a colorful bucket. Let's see which letter is underneath this bucket. Nice. We got it letter L. L is for lion. Let's put it L between K and M right here. Let's see this red bucket underneath which letter we get. Now we get letter J. Letter J always come before letter K right here. Let's see this yellow bucket underneath. Oh, we don't get any letter. Let's see underneath blue bucket. Now we get letter F. F is for fish. Let's put it letter F after E right here. I think our next letter is hide in sand. Yes, we got it. It's a letter I. I is for ice cream. Let's put it letter I before letter J right here. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's find letter G. A yellow color beautiful giraffe is coming with next letter. Let's see. It's a letter G. G is for giraffe and grapes. Let's put it G right here. Oh wow, it's a red color beautiful house. Let's open this yellow door and see which letter is inside. Here we got our next letter H. H is for house. Let's put it letter H after G right here. I, J, K, L, M. Now we need letter N. I think our next letter is hide among these cubes. Yes, it's a letter N. N is for nest. Let's put it N after N right here. I think one more letter is hide these mini cube. Yes, we got it. It's a letter O. O is for orange. Let's put it O after N. O, P. Now we need letter Q. Let's find. I think letter Q is hide these yellow color kinetic sand. Yes, you are right. It's the letter Q. Q is for Queen. Let's put it letter Q right here. P, Q, R. Now we need letter S. Oh wow, it's a candy. Among these candy, we got our next letter S. S is for star. Let's put it as right here. S, G. Now we need letter U. It's a shape board. Here is circle, rectangle, triangle, square, and now we got our next letter U. U is for umbrella. Let's put it U right here. T, U, V. Now we need letter W. It's a purple color ball. Let's open and see which letter is inside. Now we got letter W. W is for watermelon. Let's put it W right here. Next one is the letter X. It's a mini micro. Let's see which letter is inside. Open this door and now we get letter X. X is for xylophone. Let's put it X after W. W, X, Y and Z. We need letter Y. Let's find letter Y among these fruits. Yes, we got it. It's the letter Y. Y is for yak and color is orange. Our alphabet is complete. Let's do one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and G. Let's continue number. We need 0. Let's see which number is hide among these red grapes. It's a number 0. Let's put it 0 right here. Hey, it's a star block. All numbers are hide among these blocks. Here we got number 6 in green color. Let's put it number 6 right here. Next we got number 2 in also green color and put it right here. 0, 1, 2. Let's find number 1. It's here. It's a number 1. Speak with me. 1. Let's put it number 1 here. Let's find another 1. We got here yellow color number 8. Number 8, 6, 7, 8. Put it here. Next we got number 5. It's a number 5. 5 come before number 6 right here. Next we got number 9 in orange color and put it after 8 right here. Let's find another 1. Now we got number 7. 5, 6, 7. Put it here. Next we got number 4. It's the number 4 in red color and put it before number 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we need number 10. First we take number 1 and put it right here. Next we take number 0 and put it here. It's make a number 10. Now we need number 3. Only one place is left. We got it. It's a number 3. You remember the color Z and put it right here. Our numbers are also complete. 0 to 10. Let's do one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay kids, meet you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.